Hello everyone. So today we'll study merging and splitting cells. I'll tell you what it is. Now, everyone knows how to insert a table, how to type in a table, then how to insert rows and columns in a table, how to delete rows and columns, give background color, change the border, then delete whole table. We have studied all this now. Now today we'll study how to merge and split cells. You know what is a cell? Can you see this one box? Any one box. This is known as a cell. एक box. जो भी है ना, this is known as a cell. So now merging and splitting cells. Merge means what? To unite. ये दो सेल है अलग अलग, इसे एक करना है. To make it one, it is known as merging. And to separate, ये एक सेल है, इसको टू पार्ट्स में अगर डिवाइड करना है, so we'll call it as split. Merge means what? दो सेल को एक करने को हम लोग बोलेंगे merge. To make it one, it is known as merging. And to divide a cell into two or any number of parts is known as split. So firstly we'll do how to merge cells. Now suppose here I have the name Riya, then father's name Harsh and surname Sharma. Now suppose I want this all three together in one cell. एक ही सेल में चाहिए मुझे ये तीनों. So what will I do? See, I am selecting this whole. I want this in one cell ना, इसे एक करना है. So how will I do this? I'll select this. There are two ways of merging cells. Firstly select, go to tables, and can you see this merge cells? Click on this. So the cells will be merged. Or else the second way is over here, table की जो properties, this dialog box you can see ना. So in this you have see merge cells. Just click on it. See, ये पूरा एक सेल बन गया है. Now what can you do? Got it everyone? How to merge cells. Similarly, you can do for others also. Now, if suppose I want to again split it. I want to split this in two parts. So how will I do it? Select this cell. Again there are two ways to split cell. Go to table and over here can you see this split cells? Click on that. Or else the second way is click on this split cells over here in the dialog box. Can you see this dialog box over here? So here you have to specify how many numbers. Suppose I want to divide it in three parts. Horizontally or vertically? Suppose vertically, and click on OK. See? Again it is divided in three parts. If suppose over here, again I want to divide this in. Again if I want to divide this in two parts. The surname one I want to divide it in two parts. So just click on this cell, split cell into over here two parts and vertically click on OK. See, एक line आ गई है. That is, this cell is divided into two parts. Clear everyone how to merge and split cells. Now the next topic that we are going to study is text alignment. Text alignment. You have studied this last year na? Text alignment. So it is done in two ways. Horizontal text alignment or else vertical text alignment. Last year you have studied horizontal text alignment. And this year you will be studying vertically, how you can vertically align the text. Vertically means like this, straight ऐसे line में, straight line में, and horizontal means this. Last year you have studied na, left alignment, center alignment, right alignment. Yes or no? The horizontal alignment you have studied last year. So this year you will be studying vertical alignment. So there are 3 types in this. First is top alignment, second is center, and third is bottom. So we'll study one by one. Top alignment. See, just suppose I click on this cell. Over here, can you see this 3, 1, 2 and 3? This is top alignment, this is center alignment, and this is bottom alignment. Suppose this is selected, this is top, center and bottom. Suppose if I click on center, see what happens. Center पे click कर रही हूँ. Suppose for this surname will do, and I click on center. See, ये cell के center में आ जाएगा. Whatever you type will be placed in the center of the cell. Then the third is bottom alignment. We can do this for this. See, father's name is there na. I want it at the bottom. So how can we do it? Click on this cell and over here click on bottom. See, this is bottom alignment. Clear everyone about the alignment, vertical alignment. Top, center and bottom. These are the 3 alignments, vertical alignments. Thank you everyone.